So, advance happy birthday to my musician friend. Isa sa mga masasabi ko na loyal friend ever since high school. So, matagal-tagal na rin yun. I have known you for almost 2 decades already. So, advance happy birthday to Papa Mike, kay Boss Mike, Michael Gonzalez nitong August 31. So, babatiin na kita ng maaga kasi baka makalimutan ko pa eh. Diba? Hanggat naalala ko yung birthday ng mga kaibigan sa kilala mas maaga eh. Una ko na ng bate kasi baka makalimutan ko pa. Hanggat naalala. So, sana ituloy mo lang yung passion mo for music. Continue to release good songs, inspirational songs, songs that would mirror kung ano yung nararamdaman ng ordinaryong tao sa araw-araw. Hindi lang about romantic relationship yan. Anything that nararamdaman ng mga regular na tao in everyday life. So, sana makapag-release ka ng kanta tungkol dyan. So syempre, sana makapag-release ka rin ng kanta na about love itself. So, advance happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless.